Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PHP 7.4 and Apache web server on Ubuntu. Basically, Debian-based distro. It's linuxmint. If you have Ubuntu, linuxmint, or Ubuntu, Kubuntu, you're good to go. So let me quickly go ahead and show you how you can install PHP, Apache, and check whether it's working. So first of all, go ahead and launch your command prompt, basically terminal. So terminal, any terminal will do. I'm just going to enlarge the font size and then simply go ahead and type sudo get update, type in the password. And you are done. Clear the screen, but I can clear. And then I'm going to install Apache first. So just type sudo apt to install apache2, sudo apt apache2. Hit Y and then enter. Okay, in the next video I'll be showing you how to install MySQL server, which will be MySQL 8, and in this video we are going to install Apache and PHP and test it. So you're just trying to set up the Apache modules. And then I'm going to check whether it's going to work. So go to localhost. You can see it's working now. Okay, so it's working. Simply go ahead and hit the local host in your preferred browser. Then I'm going to install the PHP. So PHP and some common module. So let me show you what you need. You basically, I will leave the link. There seems to be a duplicate here, so I'm going to remove this one. I don't need everything, so basically I will be okay. You need the PHP MySQL if you're going to use MySQL. PHP curl is also required. Zip xdebug is also required on some of the I don't need PHP dev. I don't need fpm on my local system. I also don't need PHP peer. So I need PHP CLI, xdebug, zip is also required, XML, it's not required right away. GD is required for some of the CMSs like Drupal. MB string is also required by Drupal. XML is good to have. And then this is libapache2 mod PHP. PHP CLI is also required by Drupal and Composer as well. So that's all you need. So this is basically going to install the PHP 7.4. Whatever is the stable release of PHP is going to be installed by default. So I'm just going to hit enter and then press Y and continue by pressing enter. And after this, I need to enable the Apache after installing this module. Start the server and then write the PHP info, create a file, and also give this permission to your HTML folder. Okay, if you're going to install WordPress or Drupal, you can use this command. Okay, almost done, guys. We're just trying to set up these all things here. 7.4 update alternative using xdebug. Okay, done. I'm going to clear the screen now. And I can see, okay, still working. So what I will do, this is required mod mime rewrite for WordPress and Drupal. This is completely optional, but I'd like to run it on my system after installing it. And then I'm going to run this command too. And then I'm going to, before I start writing any file to this folder, I need to run this. Okay, to give permission to write the data file, I need to run it. So I also need to change the username here. So go ahead and just type your username. I've taken this username of my system. Hit enter and I'm done. Then what I can do, I can simply say sudo. I've got Z editor here. I will be using this. You can use Nano, VI, Sublime, whatever you have. www.html info.php. Here we have Z. So you can see this is already created. So I created it on the previous install. All you have to do is just write this command, this in your php.info, save it, and now you can go ahead and test it here. info.php, just type it and you should be getting this. So you can see this is how you install PHP 7.4 Apache 2.4 on your Debian based distro, and this is how you test it. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.